Hi everyone, welcome. Today we will discuss about Solana Honeypot token. This video is educational purpose, so you can learn in this video how people making a Solana Honeypot token and how it's work. If you notice here on the token address with ending with pump, if you see, you will understand this token created on pump fund, but you are wrong. This token not created on pump fund, but it possible to create same address like as pump fund, and this person, the users of this token, not able to sell the tokens. User only can buy the token but cannot sell. How is this possible if the contract address is ending with pump? So we go in the details and we check. Here is the transfer fee, 99%. Means when you buy the token, you will get nothing. If you buy 100 tokens, so only you will receive 1 tokens. 99% token go to the owner, and also the token address with ending with pump. I am telling you again, it's not created on pump fund, but it's possible to create like this token address. And another method to freeze the user accounts. So when someone buy the token, it's automatically freeze the user account, so user cannot transfer or sell these tokens. Let me explain how it works. We just, for testing purpose, create a token, and we transfer this small amount of token in wallet. Here we have token and we transfer some amount here, 50 tokens, and 1 token here. Let me send back this token to this address or 0.5. We can successfully transfer this token. Okay, and now we write a script and let me run it. Okay, so it will be check the users and freeze their accounts balance, and after running the script, so if the account is already freeze, so it will be skipped, or also whitelisted address will be skipped. Otherwise it will be checked the token account and the balance, and it will be freeze the token account, so user cannot make any swap or transfer. So let me show you an example. Before we transfer 0.5 Defi to other wallet, now I will copy this address and now try to send this token. Maximum, we will get error because account is freeze and we are not able to send this token. So there is 2 methods to make a Solana Honeypot token. One is adding transfer fee and the second one is freezing the account.